folks, we are back at the Seawall repairs, and Dylan's here again with the dump truck and the sand. We're gonna go ahead and get everything unloaded and get to it, show you what we're working with today. Alright, so this one was a big one that I did before, and it's just really annoying with all these cut things, so we literally need to pick those up. We'll start on that first and move it right over there and line it up how it is, like this.
How far over you think we're going to need to pull these?
Farther, go like right there.
Are you leaving those ones there?
Yep. I see a hole already. Now this one's gonna be up at the top.
This one goes
Top, right. Yep, right there. You see underneath it. Hand me that red one. I think the bottom should line up. Yeah, put it on the outside of that right there. Yep.
Where did this cut one go?
Which one? Oh, that's on the border. You see how like every few of them there's a square?
Yeah.
Every three, so it was.
Put it right here.
Yeah, so it was right there on the end. It don't matter. You can just stack up all the squares because I know where the squares go.
Okay. That one's all cut?
What one?
This one?
Yeah, so just leave that there because it went somewhere in here, but it's a cut piece. It's not a full one. So maybe when I'm laying them back, I'll get to an area where a full one doesn't fit, and that's where that one goes.
Like,
Bro.
Thank you for doing that. I appreciate it. That's our rule right here.
Absolutely.
Is there a reason why that happened, you know?
Yeah, it's a seawall leak.
Really?
Yeah.
That's the second time.
Yep, I know.
So what can they fix the seawall? Or?
So the Seawall company, I was out here, I think it was 2 or 3 years ago, and I fixed this area before, and we put a piece of fabric where the leak was underneath the seawall to hopefully block the material so water could still flow through it and it would block the sand in, but obviously that hasn't worked. And the Seawall company, we marked everywhere where there was a leak, and so we marked it for them to fix it, and I don't know if they fixed everything or not, you know, so I wasn't here. And so now what we're doing, like we had one down there, is we're filling it with concrete on the bottom where the leak is. So we're making a big patch of concrete down there, so that'll seal up against the existing seawall, and hopefully there won't be any more water leaking out of there.
Then I guess we just let the HOA know, they can let you know.
Yeah.
I mean, I let them know about this a long time ago before it got as bad as it was.
Yeah.
So I don't know if that's a good thing to do or just let it get bad.
Yeah, I mean, I'd let them know if it is, if it's failing.
I sent pictures and I sent stuff, but things don't happen overnight.
Yep. No, I know. Yeah.
Anyway, but at least now it looks like you guys understand what happened.
Oh yeah.
We got a handle on it.
Yep.
Okay, well, have fun. Thank you for being
Yes,
here.
ma'am.
Absolutely. Found ourselves another leaker. Alright, so we found the culprit here. It is this big crack running through in between the seawall. Nice. So we're gonna leave this open for the seawall inspector to come look at it because there's a big crack down the middle. Is
Yes.
yeah, that's big ass boat.
Hey, you take a chick on there, her jaws on
Thing will fit in here. Oh, too close. There's a hole underneath this pedestal. I just shoved a bunch of sand. It was like four freaking shovels full of sand.
Jesus.
Go give me like another handful. Maybe another one.
And another. One more.
Yeah, maybe one more.
You think that's enough or just too much?
Too much. Let's get him.
Bro, it was sick. That the morning I went and did that detail, Monday or Saturday, when I got out to the dock, there was dolphins like swimming, but it was so shallow that you could see them like swimming through the water and shit. It was so sick. I think I took a video of it. Yeah. You like see him like swimming through the water.
It's clean.
It was sick. That was the coolest part, where you could just like see him
Yeah.
underwater.
Dude, I was fishing on my paddleboard one day and I saw a dolphin like spurt up, and he was probably like from me to the front end of the boat,
Yeah.
like 30 feet away, and he's like spurts up and then goes back under, and I just watch him, and I'm in like 5 feet of water, like 'cause I can see the bottom. 5 feet
Oh,
of
you
water.
were standing in the water?
On my paddleboard.
Oh.
I'm standing on my paddleboard with my power pole down, which was like an
Yeah.
anchor, an electric anchor that would
You had a
come
power
down.
pole on your
Yeah, they make them for.
That's sick.
Yeah, they make them for that board. And I'm sitting there fishing, and I see him freaking coming like full speed right underneath the board and like flapping his tail, and I like felt it a little bit, bro. Just I like watched him the whole time, just whoosh, like so fast. I was like, bro, almost got if he would have clipped my power pole, that would have
Taking you out.
Yeah. Dolphins are sick. All right, can mark that one off the list.
Imagine getting a baby dolphin put into the fish tank.
It'd be sick if they stayed this big.
Right?
We got 49, so this one is what we're gonna do right now.
Okay.
Alright, I want to hear in the comments below, would you rather take the 40-foot center console or the 40-foot enclosed yacht? Maybe 36-foot. I'm taking center console. Dylan's taking the yacht.
Go live on that thing. Little jellyfish.
What?
Look at the little jellyfish. Little guy. He's like right here. Clear.
Oh yeah,
Little guy.
little fella. Alright, where's this one?
He's
just
looking for the
leaking
leak
out of?
too.
Yeah, he is. Let us know when you find it, buddy. I'm gonna keep spraying in there. It might take a while for it to come out. Might be a 401.
Oh wait, little one. Right here.
Yep.
It's definitely a small one though.
Yep. That's where it's coming out from. We're just gonna let's mix up one bag of concrete and put it all down there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll let you do that. That one went there.
Right. Yeah, it's fine. Here, throw that one right there. Throw that one. Actually, let me get this one. Nice. Finished up the last repair of the day, and the weather is not looking the best, so we're gonna go ahead and get up on out of here after this one. It's Friday after all. Nobody likes to get rained on a Friday. Alrighty folks, that will conclude day 2 out here at the Seawall repairs. Tomorrow we're gonna be doing a tear out of some grass and some pavers for a new install that is coming up shortly, so that'll be a whole nother video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.